This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds Spring Opener. It is a gorgeous day here in East Petersburg. Check out some of these really wonderful rides. I love this Ford Coupe. Folks are asleep inside. Let's see if I get a better shot. There we go. We got more and more cars coming in. The official start is 11, which I really appreciate. Nice 68 Cougar. You don't see that many of those girls around. I always like to pick up on them. Lovely, what is that, 54? I gotta double check. I want to show you this over here. Someone went through a lot of nice work. And let's see if I can get this to work here. Let's see. This is new equipment, sorry folks. That was a Maverick, believe it or not. Look at that pinstriping. That is nicely done. Cool touches, I like it. 52, sorry, 52. Let's take a look inside. Power slide, suicide knob. I'm trying to catch that glistening paint. Nice two-tone, beautiful car. I don't know if I can really pick it up. Let's see. Hopefully you see that flake in there. Very nicely done. Nice little... Oh, come on. Let's see if I get this working here. Sorry about this, folks. Like I said, I got new equipment, and this is the first show I'm working. The resto rod, about 65. Let's see how close I am. 65 Mercury Comet. Come on. I'm not doing this right. Sorry, folks. Mustang, of course. Little Chevy over there. Nice coupe. $34. Of course, resto rod. There we go. There we go. I'll probably edit half this stuff out. That's pretty. Look at this, about 56. Convertible, I like this Dodge. These are beautiful, the Dodge 500s. Special edition all the way. Look under the hood. And of course the Hemi. This is, what year is this? 56, okay. Look at these Mopar interiors. They are outrageous. Now this one's full boat with electric windows and all. Beautiful. I gotta show you something which is really pretty cool.
I'm sorry.
Well, I'm gonna have to cut out at this point.